Okay, y'all. So, got my chicken. It's from my house. We already washed it and put it in the bag. So now I'm about to they had to defrost or whatever. So I'm gonna cut them in half, season them, and then put them in the air fryer. I'm just taking the paper towel and dabbing these motherfuckers. Dab. I'm probably cut a few pieces off that I don't like how it looks. Okay. Got my butter knife because I didn't bring no damn knives. I was not prepared this time, but it is what it is. We're gonna make do what it do. From the hood anyway, so we're gonna probably have to use worse stuff. And I forgot my mustard too. Okay, we got that one cut. This other big ass piece of chicken breast. Jeez. Okay. Cut this little piece off. This is the fat.
Like that ass.
We got our 4 pieces of chicken. I only brought a few seasonings because, yeah, I only brought a few seasonings. These are like the mini seasonings that I had, so that's what I brought. So I got my plastic bag. I'm gonna put the chicken in there so I can season it up. Seasonings we got some garlic powder, steak seasoning, because this got a whole bunch of different seasonings mixed in it. We got Tony's Creole seasoning. This is, if y'all know about Slap Your Mama, this is like an alternative for that. And then we got some black pepper. If you don't know about Slap Your Mama, you better get on it. But that's if y'all like kind of like a little spice to y'all food.
Girl, start cooking. We hungry back here.
What? You said stop cooking?
Start cooking.
I'm doing that.
You doing all that yap yap.
Boy, shut up. I done wasted a little bit of seasoning. The Tony's. I like to get it up in there. And then some black pepper. Close this up. Might have to add a little bit more seasoning, depending on how it's maneuvered in this motherfucker. I'll put a little bit more. A little bit more. Montreal. I call it Montreal. Gave it as a black name. Montreal. But this is Montreal steak seasoning. Yeah, I see that. Chicken more seasoned than the oven. So I don't have to touch and agree. You going to bed? That's why I should have had some mustard. The mustard would have kind of did what it's supposed to do. This should be enough seasoning though, because we can't put too much. That shit gonna be salty. put my aluminum foil in my air fryer. Got our chicken. Touch and agree. Touch and agree is basically like using other pieces of the chicken to season the other part of the chicken. Maybe I get what I'm trying to say. So the chicken should be looking. Y'all see that seasoning? Don't tell me you only putting salt and pepper on your chicken, on anything. That's a problem. Okay? And I don't even cook like that. I don't cook much, but y'all know what I mean. See this one? That's how y'all chicken's supposed to look. Okay? I'm gonna use this one to touch and agree on the other ones. Alright, so we got our chicken in the air fryer. I'm gonna put a little bit of lime in it, and we're gonna cook these babies on up. My chicken is done, but y'all, tell me how I don't have no bowls. How I forgot to bring bowls on the truck. So I'm finna figure out what I'm finna use to put the salad in, and then I have to cut up my cucumber and my tomato. So let me brainstorm.
Hey guys, so we're at the next pickup right across the street from where we just delivered. We're picking up going to Birmingham, Alabama, and I found out that one of our tires on our trailers is bald as fuck. So, but I have spares here, so I'm gonna just swap them out tomorrow. I'm gonna see how much they charge me for that. But yeah, we're just keeping you guys updated. Wade's back there cooking it up as she always do, as a beautiful princess that she is. She's so nice. Oh my god, I love her so much. Can't do this without her.
Butter me up.
Never get married.
So I got my tomatoes cut. Now I'm about to cut my half a cucumber. This is so ghetto. But it is what it is. We're gonna make it do what it do. So what I'm gonna do is put my cucumbers with my tomatoes, and that could also be a little snack throughout the day. And I'm also put some on our salad, our chicken salad. It's a chicken salad. It's a chicken salad. This little tray came with our fridge, so it was still in the wrapper. I never put it inside the refrigerator, so I'm like, oh, let me use this. Improvise. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just cutting up some cucumbers. It ain't gonna be the best. Now y'all, this is a plastic fork. It's not even, I mean, a plastic knife. It's not even a real knife. It come from Dollar Tree. But you know what? Can't complain. At least we got a knife. Gotta be grateful. B don't like tomatoes, so I'm gonna only put half of the cucumbers with the tomatoes. Put a little seasoning, vinegar. Smack. If you know, you know. If you don't, find out. Okay? Find out. Next time we come out, I'm gonna definitely be more prepared. Actually, we're gonna go to Walmart this weekend. So today's already Friday, so we're gonna probably hit up Walmart within the weekend. And I'm gonna get us some knives and plates and bowls and stuff. 'Cause this is, I'll mix it. good already. So this is the salad kit that I got from Walmart. I'm gonna use this. We got our triple cheese. The salad kit actually comes with cheese and dressing. We got our tomatoes, cucumbers, and then we got our chicken.
Run by the law. I'm gonna shut it down. I'm gonna just swap. They'll swap it out for me, right? Don't stuff that bitch on though. I heard it real quiet. I said, "Oh, when a noise." Yeah. Cause I started real late in the week. Remember I told you Gregory came over here, right? Well,
So this is how the salad came out. Looks scrumptious, scrumdiddly yum yum. But yeah, this is our chicken salad. Stuck in rain, basically waiting for them to load us. B's already tearing his up.
Man, this shit chicken salad, 87 in Delhi. What you said?
I don't know. But I'm finna eat mine and yeah. Trailer doors are not closing, and this guy is having a pickle. Pee pee poop. Come on. Come back this way. I'm outside with Dior, walking him. He went to get us some food for breakfast. And we're on our way to Alabama. Come on, dear, let's go. Come on.
You can probably get the Mississippi side too. I'm good on that side.
So he's going into this dock right here. Go ahead. What happened? Hi. I think he's losing air. Remember to open the doors. It's the dock, y'all. We just had to go into. We're sitting here getting unloaded, and next we're going to shower.
So guys, I'm gonna be honest with you. The reason why Way is not driving right now, Way's expecting. We're gonna be a parents.
He's lying. Anyways.
Oh guys, and we got top secret news.
What's the news?
We're going flatbed.
That's not no secret. You've been telling everybody this on the phone, so.
Top secret.
Dior.
Hey guys, want to see me? Want to hear Dior cry like a little bitch? Do is pull him away from his mom.
Ooh.
Get away from mommy. Get away from mommy.
Fight. You're a good boy. You don't even know how to fight.
Yeah, you don't even know what a fight is. Yeah.
All right, there's a car coming around.
Yeah. So guys, so we ended up getting up out of here. It was kind of tight, but
Very tight.
Very tight. Fucking choice.
Yeah.
So, all right, guys. So we ended up delivering here in where the hell am I? Birmingham, Alabama. Look at this shit. It's a roller coaster to get to this fucking place. It was pretty tight. Scale of 1 to 10. Probably like a good
8, 7.
8, 7.
Yeah.
Not that bad. 8, 7 is terrible.
Then what? Like a 5?
I'm gonna say like a 5 or a 4. Cause I got it in the first shot.
Yeah.
Even though I had help, I had Queen in the back, you know, making sure I was good, making sure no car was coming, and making sure that I cleared because I had to pull into a I don't know if you guys saw when Love was recording, probably because she was on the phone helping me. I had to pull up into the gas station and, like, you know where the gas pump's at? Like, I didn't know if I was too high to hit it or not. But yeah, so we're heading to a pilot Flying J. We're gonna, you know, shower, you know, just shower, eat some food, and we're gonna have to order some food, probably some Chipotle, and yeah, just love on each other, you know, just enjoy, you know, my beautiful wife and be grateful for her.
Yeah, niggas trying to sweet talk.
Ain't no sweet talk, it's love. What are you talking about, child?
I'm not your child.
Child.
Alabama, Arkansas, I do love my mom and pop.
But not as much as I love you.
The weather look icky. Find some parking. It look like it's a lot. Well, I'm not sure, but it's still early, so I think it's a parking right there. little dirt over there. You play too much. Shower time.
Yeah, it's full of like it got like the metal part sticking out. Like in the back.
We got some lunch. I'm about to head to our truck. So I asked B, cause he fit through this little hole right here, and he gonna talk about, can my mama fit through there? Yeah, my mama can. Can yours? Jesus loves you. Sexy. So I ended up getting some spicy fried chicken wings. I kind of hate that they didn't give me more flats. I like flats more. I got some potato wedges, and then B got him a chicken sandwich. So this our lunch. I'm gonna rate the chicken wings from the Pilot. If I was to rate these, I'll definitely give it a 7.8. I give it a 7.8. Only because she didn't give me more flats. But they're good. They're pretty good. The spicy one. Let me rate the wedges. I feel like the wedges are like a 5. They're mid. And then they're not like really fresh. I'm gonna have to put these back in the air fryer. Where's this guy going? I'm gonna tell him to come get Dior since he wanna walk around. Cause, yeah.